How to install Universal TV Remote app. So just tap Get and then double click to install. You will be able to install it. And that's the app right there. Are you tired of changing your TV remote's battery? Just use this app and say bye-bye to a physical TV remote. Universal TV Remote is a tool that allows you to control a smart TV from a phone, iPad. The operation is the same as the real TV remote. Don't need any external hardware in order to use this remote. You just must have your iPhone, iPad on the same Wi-Fi network as a smart TV, and you just need to accept the message. And it's quite convenient. This app is getting a lot of traction. As you can see, it works with Samsung, Android TV, Roku, LG, Vizio, Sony Fire TV Stick. And sometimes you can lose your original remote. You can have multiple devices, multiple remotes. Here it's very convenient. You're just using your phone and you just have everything, on your fingertips, just using your phone and then just have it as a remote. And then you just need to make sure that your smart TV streaming stick are just connected to the same Wi-Fi network as your iPhone. And you need physical TV remote only for the first time to allow authorization and to connect the same Wi-Fi network. And that's basically the idea. And then you just need to give access to connected devices. And then if they're on the same network, they appear automatically here. And then you can just read some FAQs. If you wanna have no ads, which honestly can be quite annoying, you can upgrade, then no ads. There is a lifetime offer for $30, which if you're just using this app, maybe that's just the way to go. And you also have unlimited remote and touchpad, custom limited photos and videos, unlock channel switching. So all of these things. That's basically the app. Also, you can enter IP manually if you can just do that. But if you can't find your devices, just make sure it's on the same Wi-Fi network.